Okay, so you enter menu, from where you go into programming, and the first selection will be PLU programming. That's where you can program information for the existing PLU or add or delete a new PLU. So let's say I want to add a new PLU. So first, I need to enter a PLU number that is not in existence use. So if I choose 1000 and I press PLU, it will tell you you cannot find PLU 1000. Create a new one? Yes. This is how you create a new item. From here, we can enter the product name, beef, enter, right? If you want a second name, you can enter it from here. The unit price, let's say if it's $6.99 per kg or per 100 gram. In the label, here is the barcode number that will be related to this item that we just selected. So we don't have to worry about F1 and F2, as those are the default. But here, item code, we need to use the same PLU number that we just entered as 1000 PLU. The scale will be set to use default label when the scale is shipped out, so you don't have to worry about this part. If you have any ingredient number or information to be added, just add it from here, right? Or if there's any special message, let's see, if I want to see keep frozen, I can add it from here. But then we'll see where these two columns, these two informations are put in the label format. Date here, use by date, it's a date like normally this is disabled, right? So pack by date, it's default for today's date, and the sell by date is, let's say the product will be 7 days for the best before date. So here you will enter 7, and on the label it will be able to show automatically add 7 days on top of the existing day. So here we save, and then we go back to menu, and then we go to menu, and then we go back to registration. If I click OPLU, it will bring out the items that I just added, right? So now let's print a label and see how it works. So on this label, it shows beef as the product name, pack on date as today's date, best before date, it added 7 days to the current date, keep refrigerated, HTRDG, that's what random ingredients we entered. So on this label format, there's no text box created for special message as keep frozen. But if you need to have that included, certainly that can be created another area on the label to show special message. One more thing, in the PLU programming, when we do the price, right? So it can be based on the unit price, which is by weight, or we can click this weight button and this price can be by piece. Right? So it can be by piece or none. That's what you want to show on the label. And the quantity here, we can see every 5 pieces, right? It's $9.99. That's how you do the by piece price change.